Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a super exciting video. It's our holiday home decor for 2020. I'm super excited to take you guys through everything Emilio and I worked on. If you guys haven't watched our last video, we went through all of our DIYs and we showed the whole process of us decorating the tree, DIYing all the garlands. I highly suggest you guys watch that if you guys want to learn all the tidbits of how you put together a garland. It's a super awesome and informative video, so be sure to check that out. Okay guys, I'm going to start off with our tree. We're super excited with how it turned out. We love it so much. We wanted a more natural and minimal theme, and everything we were looking at we just couldn't find and put our finger on. Vibes just weren't right, so we thought, you know what, we're just gonna do it ourselves and create those little elements to put in as our ornaments, and we're super happy with it. We got our tree and it was a little too heavily flocked, so we went in and deflocked it a little bit and it turned out perfect. Everything that you see here were things we got from Michael's, so all of the ribbon, the tree toppers, the pine cones, the holly berries, everything we picked up from Michael's. And what we did was we created the ribbons ourselves, so cut them out, measured them, and if you watch our last video, you'll see all of the elements that went into it. So we used the little bows as kind of like, I don't know, a feel-good cutesy element to the tree, and then we used the acorns for kind of a more warm and fuzzy feeling, and then we have these holly berries for a pop of colors. So we kept it pretty minimal and we love how it turned out. We tied it in with this tree topper, which is also pretty rustic and minimal. So we thought that went very well with the tree. And we also tied in everything with craft paper for our gifts. So we picked up craft paper from Target. It was like super cheap. I think we got a huge roll for like $5. And picked up an assortment of red ribbon from Michael's. That's so cute. So you'll see some shots in here, and I feel like the gifts turned out so cute. And wrapped those all up, and it just tied in so well with this tree, I feel like. And what I love most about it is that we worked on it together, and it was a little DIY project. So even though it's not your traditional tree, not the traditional elements, sorry, I'm pregnant. So while it's not your traditional tree with traditional elements, you know, I still love how it turned out. It's super cozy and homey and gives you all the feel-good vibes. So yeah, we love it so much. So this is a tree, and we are gonna walk you through the next part of the house, which is our TV console with the garland we've been working on. Okay, so now we're moving on to our DIY garland. We're super happy with how it turned out. It was a love project for sure, but doing it with Emilio made it so much better because, you know, I feel like 2020 is all about spending time together with your loved ones, and we definitely did that, and we created memories, which is, for me, the best part. So I'll always remember this year as like our little DIY fun at-home projects, and for the holidays, to me, that's just so special. So yeah, it turned out so beautiful, and I love that it's fresh. It's not like a fake garland, so it smells beautiful. We included the holly berries in there, and we included some of the elements from our tree. So these are the pine cones that we got from Home Goods, as I said, and we put it in our CB2 vase, which I think looks so beautiful and so chic. It has this like minimal vibe, but like holiday vibe, which I am super, super into. And then we kept our bookends from CB2, and I love these because they're just that like natural rustic vibe that I feel like fits so well with our holiday theme. We used the pine cone leaves, and we used the eucalyptus leaves and the holly berries. So those were our three elements we used for our garland, and it's nothing over the top. It's very minimal. I think it's super chic. It's It's very green and very holiday, and I just feel like it just fits our holiday theme for the home so perfectly for 2020. Okay, so moving on to our dining area, we don't have a lot of space to work with, so we have this round dining table and four chairs, which is plenty for us because it's just us two. So with it being a smaller area, we wanted to keep it quite minimal, so we have this large glass vase, and we popped in these beautiful, I don't know what type of berries they are, but they were so fitting for the holidays, and we found them in my parents' backyard. So we popped those guys in, and Emilio created this eucalyptus small wreath that we put at the bottom of it. And from an earlier project, we had this fake snow that we used, which was so fitting to kind of create this little holiday theme. And we had picked up this candle from H&M, which is mahogany, which is beautiful. So we just wanted to create something minimal and still holiday to fit the theme, and I feel like it turned out well. Okay, so now we're moving into one of my favorite parts of the house, our office. I just love this space so much. It's super minimal, very clean, and for me, that just means it's very inspiring. We went with a restoration hardware theme, and maybe that's something we'll pick up in another video if you guys are interested. But for now, we'll get into the holiday decor. So we kept the theme quite similar to the rest of the house. We have the very long garland across this wooden table, which I feel like is so beautiful. Again, it's all natural eucalyptus and pine cone leaves. And we have our 2 table lamps, which we picked up from Target. And then we have these vases from H&M, also candle from H&M, mahogany scent as well. And we put in these, the pampas grass. I don't know if they're exactly pampas grass, but they're of that family. So we thought they go very well with the holiday theme. And we added these super cozy blankets to these chairs we love so much from Restoration Hardware. So the plan was minimal. Again, the theme we're going for 2020, just very natural, minimal vibes. But still, we wanted an element of holiday in here because Emilio and I spend so much time in here. So we just thought, why not create some cozy, fun holiday vibes while we're working? And you guys have to excuse the art because we just got these inserts placed in our frames, these little templates. So we just have to go out and either print our artwork or find artwork to put in here. So that's a project we're working on. So yeah, this is our holiday office for 2020. We love it so much. It's very fitting for us, and if you guys are like us and are very into the minimal vibes, the RH vibes, I feel like, you know, this is what we created. And I love that this garland fully drops. It's like a waterfall drop at the end of our desk, and to me it's just so beautiful. So hope you guys love it too. Okay guys, I got Emilio here with me. It is getting pretty dark here, so we're gonna wrap this video up. Thank you guys so much for watching. We really hope you guys like this video, and like we mentioned, tune into our previous video if you want to see how we DIY'd the garlands or DIY'd anything else. Please like and subscribe. This channel is new, so any support would mean the world to me, would mean the world to us. Anything else?
I just love Christmas.
Freaking Christmas. Yeah, I'm so excited that we got to do this together. We just had so much fun hanging out with the little baby, creating memories. I feel like that's what the holidays are all about. So it was so special.
I feel like we started a new family tradition with the garland making.
Yeah, we did.
I would want to do that every year, and
for sure.
I had a little bit too much fun with that wreath.
Yeah, you did.
It was a little spontaneous, but it turned out pretty well.
It did. It turned out so beautiful. So, yeah, I feel like we're going to continue on the traditions and make new memories every year. And we're just super grateful for 2020. You know, there's so many silver linings in 2020, and we're just super happy that we get to enjoy just these small moments with each other and small moments creating these memories. So yes, please like and subscribe, and we hope you guys love this video, and we will see you in our next video.